Hi everyone, welcome to She Cultivates YouTube channel where we talk about financial freedom and budgeting, saving and investing, all things about money. And today we are going to unbox and review this new cash envelope wallet that I got from Amazon, and it's my first time to have this kind of wallet, and I'm just so excited to begin this budgeting system. So let's begin. I got it for um, $19, which it was on sale from the three-way cut. And this is one of the cheapest that I can get. I don't want to spend a lot of money just for this. So I got one of the cheapest that still keeps the minimal design and like just the style that I want to get. So later on I will show it to you. But since the corona is happening, this cash envelope system might not be the best right now, but in a few coming weeks I'm going to begin using this as a cashless wallet system, and that really works too. So it's very exciting to just track your expenses and budget it that way. So let's just begin. I haven't really saw it. I just quickly opened it and saw, and this is my first time to really dig into this wallet so that we can do it together. So I appreciate that it has this bag to protect it. Um, so first of all, I like this because it's color black. I want to be minimal and not so loud. There's a lot of wallets in Amazon that in different color, and I just want it to be in color black and in a simple leather and in just one zipper like this. The zipper feels not bad at all. It feels good and it doesn't stuck. So let's open it. And there we have one card holder over here. It's clear, one that it's not. And when I actually first opened this, I was surprised how wide it is that it can get. And I love that because then you can put some receipts more. You have more space for papers or for some more cash. And here you have 6 slots of cards as well as on the other side. And we have this coin purse. So I think I'm very happy with how this look and how roomy it is. Now going to the envelopes itself, I received this way. Some unboxing that I have been watching is that they are separated, but apparently half of the envelopes are inside the wallet already. Maybe it's their way to show, but I had the sense of like, okay, did someone use this already, or it's just really it. But I checked everything and it seems like it's in a good condition. So I'll try to remove it first. So let's check the wallet itself at this time. So yeah, so this binder is removable. I like that it's removable. um just when you know maybe in the future you don't need that, so that you can use this as a wallet itself. But I just like that it separates, and you have a pocket here maybe for receipts, I don't know, papers. And there is also a pen loop here, so you can always have your pen, and of course you will need writing as you go along. I don't get it though, because it's it's on this side, and yet this wallet goes up. So that part I don't understand why. Hmm. So that's the wallet itself. Oh, okay, that's why. Need to hide this. There. So simple. It looks not cheap. I think for the price, it's really good. I like that. Now let's go to the envelopes and what's inside. All right, so we have here the removable wristlet that we can put it here. Let me do that now so that I can show you. So I like that it comes with wristlet as well, because this is quite a big wallet in comparison to other personal wallet. So I like that it comes with a wristlet, and over time for sure this will straighten up. So that's that. Now let's go to the papers. Now, one of the decisions that I made why I chose this is because the envelopes are simple, it's not so striking, and the designs are just minimal. Because there's a lot of envelopes in Amazon that comes with a wallet that is just too much in my eyes. So I think this is the simplest that I can get. So let's count how many. I think this is 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that these are 12 envelopes, and you can actually label here, for example, if it's for groceries or for clothes or whatever, how you budget it. And inside, this is what I like, because then you can track whatever spending you've made that day. You can put the category, the amount budget for that, the date, and the item or description, and the amount and the balance you have left for that amount budget. So I just wish though that it has also at the back, and not waste this after completing it, because then you will easily need another just like this. So that's what I'm thinking in the future, because one slide like this, you might use this for a month or two and then you're done with it. So I have to think of another way to how can I make something like this so that I don't have to purchase, right? So each envelopes has this, and again I like tracking my expenses, and so that way when it's done for that category, then I know that it's I'm not gonna go overboard or over budget. Not gonna spend any more and wait for the next month. So every envelopes has this, so that's also 12 pieces. So they already put it place it inside. I think that's their way to for us to know that this is how it works, especially for a beginner like me too. So there again, that's for the envelopes. And then they also have this instruction on how to use and best practices, which I appreciate, right? It's very important to know how you can use this in a proper way or in a practical way. And they also have these stickers to label the categories. I think then that you can just write down over here and peel it and um, stick this stick that over here, and you can fold that too and check on each. So that's good. Some envelope system, they name it over here. And this is smart because when it's like filed, then it's easier for you to sneak and not really look into each, right? It's just laying down like that, and it's easy for you to see the categories. It also comes with a yearly budget. With this one, I have done it over my computer in on my Google Sheet, because it's so easy, and in my coming next video I will show you how I do it. But this wallet comes with it, and if no if pen and paper works for you, then this is great. But as for me, I like to use the Google Sheets. So it's just much faster to calculate everything when you use Excel or Google Sheets. So but again, this is good that it comes with this um, yearly budget. So yeah, I think I am really satisfied with the price of this. And if you're from Norway, the shipping costs when you when you shop in Amazon is sometimes higher than the product. So as for me, I paid $17 for the shipping alone, and the price of this wallet is $19. And the reason why I did push through with this is because I cannot see any wallet system like this in Norway. I haven't seen. If you know a shop that sells like this, let me know, comment down below, so that we can avoid that huge shipping fee. Otherwise, if this works and a lot of you ask me, then I can start selling this too. It's a very good system that I think will work for a lot of us here. So yeah, so let me just show you and tuck it in inside this wallet. Right, so that's how it looks like. And again, this is what I appreciate, that everything shows up into each categories, and you don't have to like flip everything and look in each side of the envelope. And that way it's very convenient to just go right ahead and see, for example, like this, and go through this envelope. So I'm very satisfied with this. I like it. It's just have some marks because of these rings. So yeah, there you have it. This is again the three-way cut. When I got this for $19, they were on sale, and I think the original price of this is 24.9.45, I think. And I still, in comparison to other brands out there, I think this is still cheap. And just to, I think, wait until they offer another discount and you can get it for $19. Just that's just how I did with mine. And yeah, so I think I can recommend this. It's really simple. It's functioning well. It comes with everything that I need. And comment down below if you think that this is something that you might want to practice as well when it comes to budgeting. And on my next video, I will show you how am I going to use this. Since I mentioned earlier, Corona is happening all over the world, so cash might not be it's not the best way to pay your transactions. So I'm gonna use this as cashless for the meantime, and I'm gonna show you how I do it. Very, very satisfied with this wallet, and I can recommend it if you're looking into something budgeting system like this. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Recommend it if you think that someone would is also thinking of having a system like this, and let me know if that will work for you. So thank you so much, and see you in my next video. Bye.